Ever felt the weight of the world on your shoulders, yearning for a moment of pure tranquility? Discover the magic of a body-to-body massage. Originating from ancient Tantra practices, this massage technique has evolved to offer profound physical and emotional benefits. Imagine the stress melting away as gentle, soothing strokes relax your tensed muscles and calm your mind. The rhythmic movements not only relax you but also improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. Feel the emotional healing as the intimate nature of the massage fosters trust and comfort, reconnecting you with your body. Awaken your senses and experience heightened pleasure, deepening intimacy and connection, especially for couples. Relieve muscle soreness and chronic pain with therapeutic techniques that promote flexibility and ease discomfort. Embrace holistic wellness by prioritizing self-care, leading to improved sleep, enhanced immune function, and overall well-being. Achieve mental clarity and focus, as the massage alleviates physical tension and stress, boosting cognitive function. Choose Tantric Bali Massage for a serene, professional environment where experienced practitioners tailor treatments to your needs.